Hey traders, welcome to Coffee with Keith. Looking at the coffee cash contract on a daily time frame, we're still trading inside of this rising wedge pattern here, and we're still testing this weekly resistance area here. On Friday, we closed at the top of the range. We still haven't made it up to wedge resistance yet. Maybe next week we will, who knows. But there was a lot of bullish momentum going into, Friday in general, going into the close, actually. So what I like to do right now is I'm trying to add a few things to my analysis to see if it will help me or not. One of the things is the COT report and seasonality. So if we look at this coffee, what I have written down here for the COT information, the net positions for the non-commercial, which are the individual investors, hedge funds, large financial institutions, managed money, what we call, big money, smart money. They're still net long coffee, but the seasonality for the weekly basis is short right now. And I came across this website called marketbulls.com. They have seasonality charts. They have the COT and a lot of other useful information. I'm looking at the seasonality chart for coffee right now for this month. And in between this range here, from here until here is the month of September. This red line shows where we are in that month. And starting here into the next month, we seem to be going into a period of shorts for this month. We have a small up move, and then price generally continues down. And this line here is the 2-year seasonality right there. You see we have up here, we have the 5-year, 10, 15, and 20 years. But here on this 2-year right here, it seems to be moving downwards for the week. So I'm going to try and use that for my trading this week and see how that works out. If I go to the information that I have here, as I said before, the big money is net long coffee still. Seasonality for the week is short. But the big money has let go of a lot of longs, but they've also let go of quite a few shorts as well. So maybe open interest is decreasing for the moment. So we're going to see how we can use that this week during trading to take advantage of that. So if I take a look at the 30-minute time frame here, as you can see, we had a huge run up on Friday. This candle right here just took the cake towards the end of the trading session, and then we got some indecision up around here. So we made it to the top of this head and shoulders pattern, and it's holding as resistance. We've confirmed it, rejected it. So now we do have a new resistance area, and price started to fall towards the end of the week, probably people closing long positions and stuff. So I want to see how we open on Monday morning. And from there, we could either gap down, gap up, open at the same price, but we have a lot of room to move. Towards the upside, we have this resistance area for the head and shoulders pattern and the wedge resistance right there. But towards the downside, we still have a ways to go before we reach the previous head and shoulder neckline and a minor support area there as well. So if the seasonality and the COT for the week is what if traders are taking that into account, as I think that they might be, we could get a push up to around this area here before falling. And I'm expecting the first level of interest is here at this neckline for the head and shoulders pattern. Anything, if we do happen to break below this and close below, then we have a level here around 244. Then we have a level here around 238 or so. But first thing is first is to wait and see how we open on Monday morning and to see how things play out. So I hope you guys are having a good weekend. And many of us are doing analysis today for the coming week. But enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Happy trading.